What are some of the different approaches that you had to take because of some of the, differences in how people, log into the systems or those kinds of things? So yeah, if you could just tell us a little bit about some of those experiences and approaches to implementing it. Kim, let me go next to you. With BioKey, you've got tons of customers. Tell us, maybe just a couple of different approaches that some of your customers are taking.
Sure. So I would say, first and foremost, don't start with us. Start with your policy. So it's very important. And I think, again, going back to the people, I think it's a theme we have, is it's extremely important to understand the users and the workflows that they're doing. So to help with the adoption and to reduce friction, right, or have them circumventing things, which happens too, it's very important to understand what types of user populations you have, how they work every day, where they're working every day. Are they going through VPNs? Are they always on premise? Are they citizens and accessing online services, right? All of those use cases require very different approaches, and all of it's driven by security policy. From there, the other recommendation and approach I would say, and is key to us, is flexible options. It's not something that you can just say, okay, everyone's going to use a mobile-based OTP, one-time password, sorry, acronym. One-time password, right? Because what happens when that building of users that's working on site doesn't have mobile service? And now that's the only thing they can use. Hardware tokens are excellent, strong factors for privileged access management, and administrators, you're not going to ship hardware tokens to all of your citizens, right? So there's an importance to make sure that you have the options and you consider how those options match to your policies, but start at the policy and the workflow level for sure.